GHD has two award-winning hot brushes, GHD Glide and GHD Rise. I'm here to show you the differences between the two hot brushes. GHD Rise is our first ever volumizing hot brush. It's great for creating root lift and volume throughout the hair. I always recommend the GHD Rise for my clients who crave those voluminous, bouncy, blow-dry looks. The best way to create root volume with the GHD Rise is placing the Rise horizontally underneath the root of the hair, gliding all the way up to the ends of the hair, wrapping back down and then holding on the hair for up to 8 seconds. Then we gently unwind the hair from the Rise hot brush and that creates a beautiful full-bodied wave. So if you want soft, voluminous body throughout your hair, GHD Rise is the perfect hot brush for you. Then we have GHD Glide. So GHD Glide is our smoothing hot brush. It is perfect to tame and smooth the hair quickly and effortlessly. So if you're the type of girl who's short of time in the mornings, you're always in a rush and you've got that bedhead, GHD Glide is perfect for you to quickly and effortlessly smooth and seal your hair for a polished, perfect look. To create the perfect smooth finish, place GHD Glide horizontally underneath the roots of the hair with the bristles facing upwards and outwards. Hold the ends of the hair and glide slowly down. By holding the ends of the hair and with the bristles facing upwards and outwards, this gives us the maximum amount of tension on the hair. The more tension we create when smoothing and sealing the hair will give us that ultimate glass-like polished finish. So don't forget, Rise is for volume and Glide is for smoothing. Which one do you prefer? Let us know below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.